Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Hello everybody, it is super hot, 90, 100 plus degree weather guys. I hope you guys are staying cool and remember to stay hydrated. Sheep's gotta stay hydrated. Chat, just want to give you guys a quick price action update. Not much happened today intraday. You guys can see we got a doji candle there. Very small range, very choppy day. We did technically close higher than last Friday. Last Friday we closed at 554.6. Today we closed at 555.28. Just a little bit higher. Now we got a decent sized big body green candle here followed by a doji. As always, something we need to watch out for is an evening star candle pattern. Now on this bull market, in this bull trend, the evening star pattern has not shown itself up just yet. And every big candle followed by a doji has led to more upside so far. But despite that, history, it does tend to repeat itself, but we gotta be prepared in case the tide starts to turn. Guys, it's all about being prepared here. Okay, now as far as the evening star pattern goes, we got a big body green candle followed by a gap up with a doji. Is that the case on the daily chart? Yes, it is. Guys, see that decent body green candle, big body green candle. Then we got a gap up, and that's a doji. Now, what does the third candle play out to be? How does it usually play out? Well, it starts with a gap down, followed by a big body green candle. Sometimes a big body red candle, Sometimes the red candle is smaller than the green candle. Sometimes it's the same size. Sometimes it's bigger. It's different, okay? Look, you can look at this example of an evening star pattern. You see the red candle is bigger than the green, okay? The bottom line is it starts with a gap down and it starts breaking down support. Okay, so if you guys remember how bullish last Friday and last Wednesday was, we could get something similar to that except to the downside, all right? Which could be a pretty nice tradable move, guys, if that's the case. So watch out for support, okay? I have support at 554, all right? We didn't quite clear that fib level at 555.36. 554 support, so if we gap down below it or break it down, watch out now, 552 and 550 would be in play with 548.7 or lower. Okay, below 550, I would be bear bias. All right, guys, watch out for a potential red day tomorrow. Now, if we break, like I said before, break out 555.36. We tried to break out today, but we just couldn't hold the level and defend it as support. Okay, so if bulls try it again tomorrow, they'll have to get above 55.36 to be bullish and put new all-time highs in play. 557, 560, and 561.5. Remember, 561.5 is a macro level, fib level. It could be a possibility, definitely possibility, okay, but it got to clear 555.36. That 555.36 level is important for multiple reasons. Okay, it's important because it's a fib level, sell zone, but it's also another reason as well. I'll tell you guys towards the end of the video. Make sure you stick around. Okay, guys, so bull case, 555.36 clear. No evening star pattern. We're headed a new all-time high. And if this evening star pattern does play out, watch out for a gap down tomorrow and break down to 554 and 552. That will put the lower targets in play. Triple Q closed even higher and cleared another fib level, which is the 1.786 fib level. That was based on 497. Gotta close above it. All right, so if we're going to get a false breakout or if it's pullback time, it got to break down or gap below 497 and break down 494.8, and that would be bearish pullback time. Otherwise, as long as above 497, this breakout stays intact, 498.5 and 500, the big 500 are in play, okay? And Tesla got an even higher close. I tell you this, the big body green candles, you guys can see that from last week, and the candles are starting to get smaller, which is a sign that bulls might be getting tired, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's bearish, guys. We could just consolidate sideways to build strength for the next leg up. All right. Bottom line, overall, 254 and 256 must clear to put 258, 260 or higher in play. All right. If it's pullback time, then the behavior must match the bearish behavior, which is breaking down support, starting with 252 and 250. If they break down 248.5, 247 or lower would be in play. We got a lot of gaps to the downside, but we can't fill them until we start breaking down support levels, all right? And NVDA recaptured a fib level, 0.382 fib level, okay, was at 126.7. We cleared it. July 3rd, broke it back below on July 5th, okay? Today we recaptured false breakdown setup. So stay bullish above 126.7, get back to being bearish below 126.7. That is the equilibrium level for tomorrow. All right, so to be bullish, stay above that level, clear 128 and 129.4. If it does, bullish. We are bullish. All right, got to clear 131 too, okay? Now, if we're going to get bearish, break down 128 and 126.7 to put 125, 123.4 or lower in play. I would be bearish below 126.7. Okay, let's get to the dog pool levels. Okay, now look at this, 555.3. Look at that. 55% of activity came at 555.3, and the other 25% of activity came at 555.29. Interesting how it's very close to Uncle Charlie's fib level of 555.36. Okay, that was the other reason. All right. Okay, so even the big money players are recognizing that level. It's not going to be pinpoint the same as Uncle, but it's relatively around the same area. Okay, they're putting billions of dollars, 2.4 billion and another 1 billion. That's a lot of money around that area. Are they shorting? Are they longing? We'll find out soon. But like I said, that's an important pivot level. So trade it accordingly. If it gets above bullish, below it is overall, we got to break down 554 and stuff for follow through. The flows are bearish though. The flows are bearish, but will it show follow through and match with the price action? Triple Q is bullish. You see that? They're not even agreeing with each other. Let's see what Tesla shows. It's bullish, and NVDA. NVDA is bullish as well. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.